storytelling started in Africa, right? Are you there? Where did storytelling start from? Talk for yourself. You know, with this world, I am inspired to tell you a story. Look at my beautiful friends. You already seated for the story. I trust it good to be learned, right? So I will tell you one story today. And after the story, you will tell me what you have learned from the story. Hello? Once upon a time, in the kingdom of the animals, there was famine in the land. The rain has refused to come for 2 years straight. So the crops were not growing. Everybody was hungry. And you see that all of them, all the animals, are emaciated because there was no food. But the dog kept looking fine and healthy, fleshy. The person who was quick to notice was the tortoise, the smartest one. So he then told himself, what are we doing? Or what is the dog doing differently from us that is making the dog look so healthy and beautiful? So he decided that he was going to follow the dog around to know what exactly it was the dog was doing. On this particular day, early in the morning, he went to the dog's house. Of course, the dog didn't see him because, of course, he didn't know anyone was watching him, and started following the dog. Kere, 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 kere. The dog left their village, but he didn't stop. The tortoise kept following him. In the end, the dog was in someone else's farm and was stealing tubers of yam from the farm. Then the tortoise made himself visible. He said, now I know what your secret is. Did not beg the tortoise to please keep your secret. And the tortoise said, I will only keep your secret if you let me in on this. So they both took yams. But the difference was, the tortoise took more than he could carry. Where the dog was taking just a tuber of yam, tortoise took like 5 tubers of yam that he couldn't carry. And the dog was time conscious. He needed to leave the farm before the owner of the farm comes to the farm. So he said he was going to leave the tortoise behind. Are you ready? Yes. Then tortoise started singing a song. Whatever I say, your response will be fair, cool, fair. Let me hear you say it. Fair, cool, fair. Good. Ajá dúró dè mí lẹ́rù. Ajá dúró ràn mí lẹ́rù. Bó bá dúró ràn mí lẹ́rù. Má kígbe olóko wá gbọ́. Agbọ́ o, agbó wa lóde. Ajá dúró ràn mí lẹ́rù. Ẹ̀rẹ̀ kò fẹ́. So with that blackmail, the dog didn't have a choice but to wait for the tortoise and carried his own one tuber of yam and helped the tortoise in carrying all the other tubers of yam. And this continued for a long time. And each time, are you ready now? And each time the dog says he's going to leave the tortoise behind, the tortoise sang. And one beautiful thing was, for every time they went to steal yams, the tortoise increased the number of yams he was taking. So their journey back home became slower by the day. And on this fateful day, they had gone again. And then the dog had taken just one tuber of yam that he could carry. But Mr. Tortoise, this time was carrying like 10 tubers of yam. And then the dog told him, I'm going to leave you here because I don't want the owner of the farm to catch us here. And then he went singing again. Give me the key. The dog did not stop. He went home. And then the tortoise was struggling to carry the yam tubers, and he was struggling. While he was at it, the farm owner caught him. The next day, the tortoise was taken to the king's palace and was punished accordingly. And that is the end of the story. Now, tell me, what is the moral of this story? Yes? 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 What is the moral of this story? Give a microphone. Tell me the moral of this story. Well, let's say what you mean. Marriage and all from the harbor. What is the moral of this story? Not to be too greedy. Never know that is it. What other thing did you learn from the story? Anybody? Huh? Do I see any hand here? No. Nobody? You did not hear the story? Oh yeah. Thou shalt not steal. So, as Africans and African children, we are not greedy people. We don't take things that don't belong to us. And that is why we still have grandmas like me to teach you morals through tales by I know you enjoyed this story. Don't worry. Let me go and think of another story and come and tell you. But before I leave, I was supposed to welcome you. I wanted you to get back. What did they buy? Oh yeah. Are we ready? Hello, welcome.
your host for tonight, the entertainer, Akar, and Kiki.
Should we dance?
What's up?
Should we dance for them?
On my laptop.
Hey, on my
I got my phone now. That's the whole reality now. That's the whole reality.
Hello, everybody.
Good evening, everybody. Wow. Please, I have a first question. Some of you look so beautiful. Now, did they invite you since 2 weeks ago? Have you seen the same invite? You got this industry people.